Ever seen a cat cook? No? Well, it's time to jump on this viral trend that's sweeping the internet. The AI cat cooking video craze is blowing up on social media right now. One TikTok creator is racking up over 328,000 followers and millions of views. And the best part? This niche is still wide open, bursting with potential. Now's the perfect time for you to create your own viral hits. And guess what? You don't need a fancy camera crew to get started. With free AI tools like Piclumen AI, Kling AI, and Hailuo AI, you can whip up these videos in just minutes. These videos aren't just for TikTok either. They're perfect for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, giving you more chances to rack up views, earn ad revenue, snag brand deals, and maybe even cash in on TikTok creator rewards. Let's dive in. Here's how you can get started with these whisker-licking good videos. Step 1. Crafting the perfect image prompts. Let's face it, coming up with image prompts feels like a full-time job. But no worries, I've got your back. I've got a ready-made prompt that'll save you time and let you jump straight into the fun. You can even tweak it to cook up new ideas. Just join my WhatsApp channel for all the details, link in the video description. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's like adding the secret sauce to our recipe for success. It helps others find this video, and it keeps us fired up to bring you more awesome content. Your support means the world to us. Step 2. Generate your image and animated prompts with DeepSeek. Head to DeepSeek and paste in the prompt. With one click, it'll generate some perfect image and animated prompts for your video. Easy, right? Plus, you can swap out cat for any animal you want to see cooking. Imagine a dog flipping pancakes or a penguin baking a pie. Step 3. Bring your images to life with Piclumen AI. Next up, head to Piclumen, where the magic happens. Sign up, log in, and select the Piclumen Art V1 model for the best results. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for perfect vertical videos, ideal for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Copy your image prompts, paste them in, and let Piclumen Art V1 work its magic. Pro tip: you can save time and keep things consistent by copying the seed number from one of your images and pasting it into the advanced settings. This way, your images will match up beautifully. Wait, you must be wondering why I generated 2 unrelated pictures. Keep watching. The final video may surprise you. Step 4. Turn those images into videos with Hailuo AI. Now, head over to Hailuo AI to turn your static images into jaw-dropping videos. Sign in, upload your images, and let Hailuo AI do its thing. Once your video is generated, you can tweak it as much as you need to make it look chef's kiss perfect. Step 5. Give your video a boost with CapCut. Want to make your video pop even more? Use CapCut to upscale your footage. Upload your video, click Magic Tools, and choose Video Upscaler. Just a few clicks and bam, your video looks as sharp as a cat's whiskers. Step 6. Add music and sound effects. Now for the fun part, adding playful music. Head to YouTube Studio, pick some playful track that fits your video vibe, and download it. Then, grab some sound effects from Pixabay to add extra flair. With the perfect audio, your video is about to sound amazing. Step 7. Put it all together in CapCut. Now that you've got your video clips, sound effects, and music, let's make a masterpiece. Wait a minute. Are you rocking an Apple Watch already? Or are you ready to upgrade its style? Either way, you've got to check out this site. And guess what? I managed to snag an extra 20% off plus worldwide free shipping just for you. Give it a whirl. Link in the description. Trim those clips down. Add transitions, and sync up your sound effects for maximum impact. Add background music, adjust the volume, and give it a polished look with a nice filter. When it's perfect, hit export, and you're ready to share your creation with the world.
Hey, sweetie. I want to eat braised beef noodles tonight. Okay, see you soon.
And that's it. You've just made your very own viral cat cooking video, or whatever animal you decided to cook up. You're now ready to conquer social media and maybe even make a little cash along the way. Did you love this tutorial? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content to fuel your creative journey. Thank you for watching. And remember, your creativity has the power to inspire the world, so